Hi guys, let's jump into our final day of conjunctions. Today we're just going to look at, is it a coordinating conjunction or is it a subordinating conjunction? Just a review, don't forget that conjunctions connect, words or groups of words, okay, in a sentence. Conjunctions connect. Remember how similar those sound. So just a reminder, coordinating conjunctions, those were our fanboys. They're the easiest ones to use. They're definitely our most popular, especially and, but, or, okay? But fanboys are what we use the most, and they're just a lot easier to use. Yesterday we talked about subordinating conjunctions, okay? Remember, a subordinating conjunction is going to be made up of an independent and a dependent clause, okay? Well, sorry, the dependent clause is going to have a subordinating conjunction. An independent clause is just those words that express a complete thought, okay? Where a dependent clause, something's missing. While I was in the bathroom, if I walked up to you and said that, you'd say, okay, what? Ew, gross, but what? Okay. Independent clause would be something like, I ate dinner last night. Yes, that is a complete idea. Okay. We're going to use, when the independent and dependent clause are related, we use a subordinating conjunction to connect them. These are the subordinating conjunctions that we're using at this time. We said we could call them awoobies if we wanted to, but it's after, although, as, when, while, until, because, before, if, and since. All right. So let's identify the subordinating conjunction here. I thought I was prepared for the test until I started it and couldn't answer a single question. Remember, I thought I was prepared for the test. That is a complete thought. So now we look for our dependent clause, okay? Until I started it and couldn't answer a single question. Our conjunction is obviously until, okay? Review, okay, you might want to take a screenshot of this. This will really help you with your show it today. We're looking for coordinating conjunctions or subordinating conjunctions. We're going to try to figure out which one we see in these sentences, okay? So let's play a little round of coordinating or subordinating. James picked the dinner and Sam picked dessert. All right, I see one of our most popular conjunctions. It's and, which means it's coordinating. She laughed when the puppy chased its tail. Think about it. She laughed when the puppy chased its tail. I don't see any of our fanboys, so it definitely has to be subordinating. What could that word be? It's when, okay? You might want to have that list of subordinating up with you. The tiger limped as it crept through the jungle. Okay, I don't really see any obvious ones, okay? But I do have the tiger limped. That could be an independent clause, which means as it crept through the jungle would be my dependent. First word must be as, and it's subordinating. I called Alicia, but she didn't answer. What could be my conjunction? But, that's an obvious one. Always look for that comma. Remember that sometimes that is our key. If the door is open, you should close it. Again, I don't see any of my obvious fanboys here, but I do see you should close it. That's an independent thought, right? It makes sense by itself. So I have if the door is open, which means my first word of that must be my conjunction, which means it's subordinating. The class picnic will be at the beach, or it will be at the zoo, okay? All right, which one could that be? I see a comma, that next one, or, yep, that's one of my fanboys. It's coordinating. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump onto your Buzz account and look at your show it. Again, I'm just going to open first period, no big deal. You guys also need to complete your spelling test today, don't forget. Okay, it should be on your to-do list. All right, what type of conjunction? Show it. I did put this slide up for you so you can reference back to it. I believe, yep, I put it at the top too for you. What type of conjunction is used in this sentence? The chair is broken, so we tried to fix it. The chair is broken, right? So that's a complete thought. So we tried to fix it. I'm going to go up here. Oh, wait, no. So is a fanboy. Duh, Mrs. Nugent. So it's coordinating, comma, so we know that that's coordinating. What type of conjunction is used in this sentence? We have a lot to do and no one wants to do any work. Which one could it be? I see and a comma. We know that one's coordinating as well. What type of conjunction is used in this sentence? Okay. The dog drinks water while he waits for his owner to walk him. I don't see a comma or any of our obvious ones, The dog drinks water. That's an independent clause, right? That's a complete thought. While he waits for his owner to walk him. Oh, wow. While he waits, what happens, right? That's a dependent. So I know that my first word, while, is my conjunction, which means it's subordinating. What type of conjunction is used in this sentence? Once we get to California, we will go to the beach. I see a comma, but I know that we is not part of fanboys, okay? So we will go to the beach. That's a complete thought, okay? Once we get to California, that's not. So I know that my first word, once, is my conjunction, so it must be subordinating. What type of conjunction is used in this one? The shirt was white, yet it looked yellow in the sunlight. Yet, comma, I know this is a fanboy, so I'm going to click coordinating. All right, I'm going to let you guys do the last 4 by yourself, okay? The last 4 by yourself. You've got this. Also, please don't forget to take your spelling test. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see some of you guys on Monday and Tuesday. And those of you I haven't seen, I miss you. All right, have a wonderful weekend.